know if I can find my way out.
Maldives is a country that is truly called paradise on earth. It is a magical destination where crystal clear turquoise waters, pristine white sandy beaches, swaying palm trees, and luxurious overwater villas come together to create a breathtaking, dreamlike picture. It is a country famous not only for its heavenly beauty, but also for its world-class luxury and peaceful atmosphere. Friends, Maldives' stunning natural beauty, rich marine life, unique island culture, and luxurious lifestyle make it one of the most special and romantic destinations in the world. This is why it is called Paradise on Earth. Maldives is located in the Indian Ocean, southwest of India and Sri Lanka. It is an archipelago of around 1,200 coral islands, grouped into 26 atolls, spread across nearly 90,000 square kilometers of ocean. However, the total land area is only about 298 square kilometers, even smaller than many cities in India. Yet, when it comes to natural beauty and serene experience, it stands unmatched. Almost all islands are very small and low-lying, with the highest point in the country just 2 to 3 meters above sea level. This makes Maldives one of the most beautiful yet climate-vulnerable countries in the world. The population of the country is around 5.5 to 6 lakh, very less compared to its vast ocean territory. People live spread out on different islands in perfect harmony with nature. Language and culture. The official language is Dhawahi, but English is widely spoken, especially in resorts. The culture is a beautiful blend of South Asian, Arab, and African influences. The people here are warm, friendly, and deeply connected with the sea. Islam is the official religion, and the lifestyle is calm and relaxed. History. Maldives has a rich history dating back thousands of years. It was an important stop on ancient trade routes. The country gained independence from British rule in 1965 and became a republic. Today, it proudly maintains its unique identity as a peaceful island nation. The capital of the country is Malé, one of the smallest and most densely populated capital cities in the world. Despite being tiny, it is full of life, colorful buildings, and vibrant markets. Economy. Maldives has one of the highest GDP per capita in South Asia. Its economy mainly runs on tourism, which contributes nearly 30% of the GDP. Fishing is the second most important industry. The currency here is the Maldivian rupiah, or MVR. Luxury resorts, water sports, and honeymoon packages attract millions of tourists every year from all over the world. Interesting facts. Maldives is the world's lowest-lying country. It has one of the most beautiful underwater ecosystems, home to colorful coral reefs, manta rays, whale sharks, and thousands of fish species. Tap water in resorts is desalinated and safe, but mineral water is commonly used. The country has more than 1,000 species of fish and is a paradise for divers and snorkelers. Weather and beauty. Maldives has a tropical climate throughout the year. The best time to visit is from November to April, dry season, when the sea is calm and the sky is clear. In the wet season, you get dramatic rains, but also fewer crowds and lower prices. The water here is so clear that you can see the coral and fish even without diving. At night, some beaches glow with bioluminescent plankton, known as the Sea of Stars. Famous places. Malé, the bustling capital city with colorful houses, markets, and the famous Hukuru Miski Mosque. Overwater villas, the iconic symbol of Maldives, luxurious bungalows built directly on the lagoon. Vadu Island, famous for the glowing sea of stars at night. Ari Atoll, one of the best places for snorkeling and diving with whale sharks. Maufushi, popular local island for budget travelers and water sports. Barros Island and Conrad Maldives Rongali Atoll, world-famous luxury resorts. Fuvmula, known for tiger sharks and unique diving experiences. Food and cuisine. Maldivian cuisine is simple yet delicious. The staple food is fish, especially tuna, cooked in coconut milk with spices. Popular dishes include garudia, fish soup, mashuni, tuna with coconut and onion, roshi, flatbread, fresh seafood grilled on the beach. International cuisine is widely available in resorts, including Indian, Chinese, Italian, and Arabic dishes. Fresh tropical fruits like mango, papaya, and coconut are served everywhere. Adventure and activities. Maldives is not just for relaxation. You can enjoy snorkeling and scuba diving, parasailing and jet skiing, dolphin watching cruises, night fishing, kayaking through mangroves, stand-up paddleboarding, and seaplane tours for breathtaking aerial views. So friends, this was the journey of Maldives. Paradise on earth, a place where every moment feels like a dream, where the sea is bluer than blue and the sand is whiter than white. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as the country itself is beautiful. If you liked it, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing travel destinations. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.